still have to come again into the chemical properties of metals, which we did, which I'm going to explain more again for you. The chemical properties of metals. I talked about the ionization then, which I will explain more today. I will also talk about the reducing property. I'm going to discuss well about the reaction with acid, the nature of oxide, and other reactions that metals will do what undergo. When we come into ionization, as the word involved, it means ion, which means it means formation of what? Ion. Ionization has to do with formation of what? Ion. How does metal form its ion, which we've discussed before? They find out that because metal have few valence electrons, it is easy for them to do what? Lose their ions than gaining what? Ions. Which means they form the ions by losing valence electron. When you look at something like calcium, it has 20 electrons, which is what? 2, which is what? 8, which is also 8, which is now 2. Calcium is 2, 8, 8, 2. What is the valency of calcium? 2. Because the valency is less than 5 or 4. You see that it is easy for calcium to lose the valence electron, which means calcium can easily lose its valence electron to become calcium ion. So, in ionization of metals, they form the ion by losing valence electrons. And when they lose their valence electrons, they become positive ions, which means they are also electropositive. Okay? Then, if you still want to discuss about the reducing property of metals, you find out that they donate electrons because they now become reducing what? Agents, which you have discussed before. But now we are going to look into reactions of metals with acids. What is an acid? There are many ways we define acid, but we understand that according to Arrhenius, that an acid is a substance that when dissolves in water produces hydrogen ion as the only positive ion. Now from the electrochemical series, some metals or most metals that are above hydrogen in electrochemical world series will displace hydrogen from dilute acid. We displace hydrogen from what? Dilute what? Acid, giving salt and what? Hydrogen, giving salt and what? Hydrogen. So we can have some metals plus dilute acid will give us what? Salt and the hydrogen. If I have something like zinc, which is a metal, and I have something like hydrochloric what? Acid, which is an acid. Zinc will react with hydrochloric acid to give us zinc chloride and what? Hydrogen. The zinc chloride is what? A salt. If I have something like what? Calcium, which is a metal, and it also reacts with hydrochloric acid, it will also give me calcium chloride and what? Hydrogen. If I have something like what? Iron, and I have dilute H2SO4, it's going to give me iron 2 tetraoxosulfate 6 and what? Hydrogen. So with this, we have seen that most metals that are above hydrogen in electrochemical world series or activity series can displace hydrogen from acid. So you see that most of them can displace hydrogen from dilute solution of their what? Acid. And that is one of the metallic what? Property or chemical property of what? Metals.